Today we're going to be making tie-dye shirts.
Welcome to Vibrandt Tea.
Hey guys, welcome to Vibrandt Kids. Today I'm going to be making something very awesome. It's a tie-dye shirt. All you need is to get this Target tie-dye box. It has everything you need except for a tie-dye shirt. You have to get a tie-dye shirt from the store, and well, you know how it goes. Well, we are going to be making this, so let's try doing this first. You're going to be doing this, rolling it. Oh, and don't forget to wet your shirt, because that makes it better. Make sure to hold it in the middle when you're twisting the whole time. Then we put some rubber bands around like this. And if you need a grown-up, you can ask a grown-up's help. Like your mom or your dad. And like this. But if it's a little too hard, you can always stop your video and ask your parents to help you out at all times. So just be calm, don't get angry. I'm gonna ask my mom for help because I can't do mine. Mom, can you help me? And they're all wet so they can look nice. Are you ready to dye? Well, we don't have the gloves because we threw it away. We made an accident. Well, now I don't have gloves, but you actually need gloves. So let's start dyeing. Okay. Ooh. As you can see, this looks a little great. Now that we dyed our t-shirts, time to put them in these bags for a little while. But it's okay. Our show isn't over, and now we wait. Time's up. Now it's time to rinse. Hey, I like how these turned out. Well, make sure the most important thing is that you always have to keep them wet. Now, if you didn't keep them wet, start all over. There might be a few more, and if you forgot about that part of like the wet part, you can always make it start over, and you can wash it, dry it, and then all that. And if you like it, give us a double thumbs up hit the like button, hit the smiley face, and hit the clock. Bye!